I think this is Canal. Oh my god. I think this is Canal. It is. Okay. This has been an interesting experience over the past few episodes. I don't know if you've been watching. If you haven't, my channel is down below. You go look at all of them. Oh my goodness. I've been running around New Orleans looking for where to go to redo my videos that I've taken and that I lost due to Google not being able to back them up. Thanks. They always stay ahead of everything. Which, you know, it's not that bad of a company, but when it comes to photos, they're trying to update and stuff, and they're not doing the best job, but I give them credit for trying. This is New Orleans. I hope you've enjoyed. I have, sort of, not really. It's been an interesting experience that I don't really recommend to most people. But I've got to be at dinner in 15 minutes, and my hotel is down there. So, wish me luck. Remember guys, together we can rule the YouTube galaxy. To join the Empire, please subscribe. And until next time. This is Luke Vedder saying have a nice week. See you guys later. Bye.